Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Shred 1/2 head of cabbage into thin ribbons and set aside with 1 chopped onion and 2 chopped green chilies. Keep the pieces similar size for even cooking. Measure 2 tablespoons oil, 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon sugar before you start heating the pan. Prepare 1 tablespoon lime juice and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro to finish. This messy en place saves time and guarantees the spices toast properly without burning, while the cabbage softens gently. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a wide skillet over medium heat and add 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds. When they pop, add a pinch of curry leaves or 1/2 teaspoon cumin for aroma. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 green chilies until translucent, then stir in the shredded cabbage and sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon salt. Cover and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes to prevent sticking, so the cabbage becomes tender crisp while retaining its bright color and light texture. Uncover the pan and increase heat briefly to evaporate any excess moisture. Then stir in 1 tablespoon lime juice and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning with an extra 1/2 teaspoon salt or 1/4 teaspoon sugar if needed. For texture, add 2 tablespoons toasted coconut or 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts. Serve warm with roti or rice, or use as a filling for wraps. Store leftovers in the fridge up to 3 days in an airtight container, and reheat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.